Best Video Doorbells. Are you looking for the best video doorbells? In this video we will look at 5 of the best video doorbells on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Arlo Video Doorbell. The Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, 2nd Gen, is a versatile smart doorbell offering a blend of high-quality video, advanced features, and dual installation options. It supports both wireless and wired setups, making it adaptable to various home configurations. The standout 2K resolution delivers clear and detailed video, complemented by a 180-degree wide-angle lens that ensures a full head-to-toe view of visitors. Key features include two-way audio for real-time communication, enabling you to talk to guests or delivery personnel through the Arlo app. The integrated night vision ensures clear visibility even in low-light conditions, enhancing security after dark. For added protection, the built-in siren can be triggered manually via the app or automatically during specific events, acting as a deterrent to potential intruders. The doorbell is designed to deliver real-time notifications to your smartphone, providing instant alerts for motion or when someone rings the bell. The live stream feature allows you to monitor your entryway at any time, while the device's advanced motion detection minimizes false alarms by distinguishing between people, animals, and objects. The sleek white design adds a modern touch to your home, and its weather-resistant build ensures reliable performance in various conditions. Subscription plans unlock additional features like cloud storage and advanced detection options, although basic functionality is accessible without a subscription. In summary, the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, 2nd Gen, combines exceptional video quality, flexible installation, and smart features like two-way audio, night vision, and a built-in siren. Its real-time notifications and wide field of view make it a strong contender for enhancing home security and convenience. Number 2. ESVIS DB1C Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. The ESVIS 5G Wi-Fi 5MP Video Doorbell, DB1 Pro, is a feature-rich smart doorbell designed to provide enhanced security and convenience for modern homes. It stands out with its 5MP resolution, delivering sharp and clear video quality for monitoring your front door. The 176 degrees ultra-wide field of view, FOV, ensures comprehensive coverage, capturing visitors and surroundings in a single frame. Key features include human and vehicle shape detection, enabling the doorbell to differentiate between people, vehicles, and other motion types. This reduces false alerts and ensures you receive accurate notifications. The device also features sound and light alerts, which can be activated as a deterrent for potential intruders. The doorbell supports two-way talk, allowing real-time communication with visitors via the ESVIS app. Its weatherproof design ensures reliable performance in various environmental conditions, making it suitable for all-season use. The integration of 5G Wi-Fi connectivity ensures faster and more stable connections, minimizing lag in video streaming and notifications. Advanced features like smart detection and instant alerts keep you informed of activity at your doorstep, while compatibility with ESVIS's cloud storage and microSD cards offers flexible video storage options. In summary, the ESVIS DB1 Pro is a robust video doorbell offering ultra-clear 5MP resolution, a wide 176 degrees FOV, and intelligent features like human/vehicle detection and sound/light alerts. Its two-way talk capability and weatherproof design make it an excellent choice for securing your home, while the 5G Wi-Fi connectivity ensures fast and seamless performance. Number 3. Ring Peephole Cam. The Ring Peephole Cam is a smart video doorbell designed specifically for doors with an existing peephole, offering a simple and convenient way to enhance home security. Its HD video quality provides clear visuals, allowing you to monitor your doorway effectively. The device also supports two-way talk, enabling real-time communication with visitors through the Ring app. Installation is straightforward, requiring no wiring or drilling, making it ideal for renters or anyone seeking a non-invasive setup. It replaces your traditional peephole, combining functionality with modern technology. The compact design ensures it blends seamlessly with your door. The peephole cam includes features like motion detection, sending instant alerts to your smartphone when movement is detected, so you're always aware of activity at your door. Additionally, you can live stream video at any time to keep an eye on your surroundings. Powered by a removable rechargeable battery, the device is easy to maintain, with no need for constant replacement of batteries. The camera is compatible with Alexa, allowing hands-free control and announcements when someone rings the bell or motion is detected. For added convenience, the Ring Protect Plan, optional subscription, enables cloud storage of video recordings, so you can review events later. While it offers basic features without a subscription, the plan enhances its capabilities. In summary, the Ring Peephole Cam combines HD video, two-way talk, and motion detection in a compact, easy-to-install design. It's a practical choice for renters or homeowners looking for an affordable and effective way to upgrade their door security without permanent modifications. Number 4. Eufy Video Doorbell E340. The Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340 is a battery-powered smart doorbell designed to deliver advanced security with no monthly subscription fees. It features dual cameras, providing a comprehensive view of visitors and packages, with the delivery guard function specifically monitoring package deliveries to prevent theft. With 2K Full HD resolution, the doorbell captures sharp and detailed videos, ensuring clear identification of faces and objects. The color night vision enhances visibility in low-light conditions, offering vibrant and accurate nighttime video footage. The dual camera system minimizes blind spots, with one camera dedicated to capturing the doorstep area for package monitoring. The E340 is compatible with the Homebase S380, which securely stores video footage locally, eliminating the need for cloud storage fees. Its battery-powered design allows for flexible installation without the constraints of wiring, making it suitable for various home setups. Key features include two-way audio, enabling real-time communication with visitors through the Eufy app. Motion detection is enhanced with smart AI that distinguishes between people and objects, reducing false alarms. Real-time notifications keep you informed of activity at your doorstep, while the app provides access to live video streaming and recorded events. The doorbell's weatherproof design ensures reliable performance in different environmental conditions, and its sleek, modern design blends well with any home exterior. In summary, the Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340 offers high-resolution video, dual cameras for comprehensive monitoring, and no monthly fees, making it an excellent choice for cost-conscious users seeking advanced security features. With color night vision, package protection, and easy installation, it's a versatile and effective solution for enhancing home security. Number 5. Ring Wired Doorbell Pro. The Ring Wired Doorbell Pro, newest model, is a premium video doorbell offering advanced features and best-in-class performance for homes with existing doorbell wiring. Designed for seamless integration, it combines sleek aesthetics with cutting-edge technology to enhance home security and convenience. This doorbell delivers crystal-clear HD video, providing sharp visuals and a wide field of view for monitoring visitors. Its two-way audio allows real-time communication through the Ring app, making it easy to greet guests or communicate with delivery personnel from anywhere. Advanced motion detection ensures precise alerts by distinguishing between people and other motion triggers, reducing false alarms. Real-time notifications keep you informed of activity at your door, while live video streaming provides constant access to your entryway. The Doorbell Pro supports customizable privacy zones and motion zones, allowing you to tailor its coverage and reduce unnecessary alerts. The device integrates seamlessly with Alexa, enabling voice commands, live streaming, and motion announcements. For added security, the Ring Protect subscription plan, optional, provides cloud video storage, allowing you to review, save, and share recordings. Without a subscription, users still benefit from real-time monitoring and live features. Installation requires existing doorbell wiring, 16 to 24 VAC, making it ideal for homeowners looking for a permanent and reliable solution. Its compact and modern design complements various home styles, while the durable build ensures long-lasting performance. In summary, the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro offers exceptional video quality, smart motion detection, and advanced features tailored for wired setups. It's an excellent choice for those seeking a robust and aesthetically pleasing video doorbell with optional cloud storage for comprehensive home security.